think the yard is almost ready. Achoo! Rebecca! Hi! Please, man. Okay. What you doing? Oh, I've invited Eddie the caster over for our ladies' tea. We do it once every year, and I want the yard to look perfect. Oh, thank you, Snickle Fritz. Well, time to cut the grass. There, everything looks all nice. Granny, I was wondering if... Yes, Lynette. What do you know about... Lynette, I could understand you better if you would stop your hiccups. I can't! Ah, you have the hiccups. That's all right. Everybody gets them. Sometimes your body does little things that you just can't control. Don't be scared. But how do you hiccup? You've got it right. No, how do you stop? I see. You want to stop the hiccups. Yes, Granny. I'm tired of it. I want to stop. Of course. Snickle Fritz. Reach from the car. Big book of old country cures. Oh, I knew you could help it. Please, call me Granny. Oh, thank you, Snicky. Oh, no. No, Pussy Fritz. This is my small book of old country cookery. Take this back. Oh, we need the big book. Please. Do you ever get the hiccups, Granny? Not often. No, but when I do... What? They're different. Oh, thank you, Snickle. This is it. Let's see. Apnea, arthritis, cholesterol, dizziness, earaches, flatulence. Aha, here it is. Hiccups. What's it saying? Oh, put the doll on your hand. Tried it. Hiccups scare easily. Tried it. Here's another cure. Stand on one foot. Grab your right ear with your left hand. See enough? Cross your eyes and stick out your tongue. Stick out my tongue. Then hop 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Granny, I think it worked. Of course. It's all in the book. 3 cheers for the old country cures. Oh, hip hop hooray! Hip hop hooray! Hip hop! Oh, Granny, they're back. Oh, and Granny, you've got them too. I do. But they're different. Yes, I get the kangaroo hiccups. Kangaroo hiccups? Why are they called the kangaroo hiccups? I don't know. My body is out of control. Oh, Major! Bedhead!
Oh, hi, Lynette. Hey, Snickster.
Hello, Bedhead.
Oh, hello, Granny.
Major, Bedhead, we've got the hiccups.
Oh, I can cure hiccups.
You can? How? Major, we'll try anything.
Ballet.
Ballet?
Yeah, sure. It's a kind of a dance they usually do in a large theater with lots of...
We know what ballet is, Major Bedhead, but we've never ballet curing the hiccups? We'll try it. I'm ready.
Wally, you watch from over here.
All right, assume the position. Ready?
Wonderful, marvelous, nonsensical.
Auntie MacArthur!
Hello, Lunette. How are you? Fine. And Granny. And Major Bedhead.
ATM.
Uh-oh.
I've got the rapido. Hiccups.
There seem to be hiccups all around here. And we can't stop. Well, I can help. How about my hiccup song? When you got a hiccup and you don't want to hiccup, go on to the garden. I know something you can pick up. Hick, hick, here they come again, man. Up, up, get up with the plan. Just a leaf of cabbage and you got 'em on the run, man. Put it on your belly and then soon they will be gone, man. Hiccup, 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 hiccup. When you got the bubble and you caught up in the burp, you lie down on the floor and then you sit up and you slurp, burp, burp. Here they come again, man. Slurp, slurp. Soon they will be gone, man. Get down on your belly and you got 'em on the run, man. Another sip of simple soup and soon they will be gone, man. Hiccup, 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 hiccup. Well, you jump 2 times. Jump up, to the left and the right. Left, right. Hiccup, hiccup, oh, hiccup, hiccup, oh, hiccup, hiccup, oh, hiccup, hiccup, oh. Well, I think my hiccups are gone.
Mine too!
I'm cured.
Thanks! Ha, 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 you're welcome. Now, Greg, are we still on for that ladies' afternoon tea? Oh, yes, yes. Have a seat, Auntie Em.
Boy, a nice cup of tea really would go down well right now. Especially after all that hiccuping. And ballet.
Well, then, let's have a ladies and a ladies tea. Oh, how about you, little lady?
Oh, thanks anyway, but no. I'm heading back to the couch. I'm all tired out after all that hiccuping. And ballet.
Okay, then. Bye-bye, Luna.
Bye-bye.